Hello kids! This is your teacher Neri, and today we are going to practice how to write the letters of the alphabet. But before we will proceed to our next letter, we will review the last letter that we studied. The last letter that we studied was this letter. The letter E. The sound of the letter E is E. E. Okay? Let us also review how to write the letter E in the air. So this is how we write the big or the mama E. 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 Again. E. E. The small or the baby E is written like this. E. 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 The sound is E. Good job! Now let me introduce to you the next letter, which is this letter, the letter
F.
Yes, the letter F. Do you know the sound of the letter F? The sound of the letter F is F. Before I forget, let me introduce to you this letter F, which is the big capital or the mama F, and on this side is the small or the baby F, and both letter F has the sound. Again, what's the sound of the letter F? It's very good. Let us see if you know the big and the small F. From the letters below, kindly pick up all the big letter F and put them inside a circle. Small F will be placed inside the square. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So let's pick them up. All your answers are correct. Good job! Now let us sing the letter song, which is the letter F song. Would you sing along with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let us sing now. In 3, 2, 1.
Letter F is fun to write, really fun to write. Letter F, the sixth letter of the alphabet, with a sound of Here we go, let us write the F. Letter F is fun to write, really fun to write.
Thank you very much, kids, for singing along with me. Now we are very much ready to write the letter F. First, we are going to practice the big, the capital, or the mama F. Straight vertical line, then 2 horizontal line, top and middle part. Straight vertical line, then first horizontal line on top, then the second horizontal line. Straight vertical line, horizontal line, and then another horizontal line. Straight vertical line, First horizontal line, then second horizontal line at the middle part. Now we are going to practice the small letter F. Make a little curve to the left, right downwards to create a straight vertical line. Horizontal line at the midsection of the vertical line. Let us practice more. You can do it. Now it's time to trace them on paper. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let us write them all. Introducing the big, the capital, or the mama F. Then let's go to the small or the baby F. Next will be the capital, the big, or the mama F. Are you tired writing now? Or practicing now? You can do it, kids. Even if it's tiring, we should keep on going because remember, practice makes perfect. Big, capital, or mama F. Small or baby F. Big, capital, or mama F. Small F. Last one. Big, capital, or mama F. And small or the baby F. Yes, we are done tracing the letter F. It's time to practice writing them by ourselves. No more tracing, kids. I know, we can always do it. This time we are going to say the name of the letter with its sound. Big F, the sound is F. Small F. Remember, both big and small F has the sound F. Continue writing. We are almost finished. F, the sound is F. Yes, we all did it! Congratulations! If you miss letters A, B, C, D, and E, I will put the link of those videos on the description box below. Once again, this is Teacher Neri, and I hope that you will keep on practicing. Have a great day, everyone. Bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Once again, this is Teacher Neri, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!